the doors all off so I can do the work around the rocker panels. Rebuilt this in here, all down through here, right down to the seam here. This part I already did. I gotta come right back around here, right down along here. That's gonna be a pain in the ass. This side, see what kind of shape it's in, but I might have to do the same thing over here, it looks like. But I still gotta redo this anyway. Which means I'm gonna pull the carpet out and fix it in here, which could be fun in its own right, I'm certain. There. Both front cab corners are fixed. Not pretty. They actually look kind of scabby. But there ain't no holes going into the inside no more. Brand new fan belt too. Down there, you can see the marks on it right there. There you go. This one don't look as bad. I had a better idea what I was doing by the time I got to this one. Let's put in a piece down here too. And again, there was a big hole you could throw a baseball through the corner of the running for the firewall. The front cab corners are done. Wire spliced together. Stupid ass system Ford used. Let's wait for the paint to dry and I can put my doors back on. Hook the speakers back up. Yeah, my fancy smancy sound system. Get me sound anyway while I'm working. Radio I can listen to. This thing's only got an AM tuner and it's not real good. 162,000 on it. It's 92. Can't complain about that. Funny story. The red paint that I used down there, which is a near match with the factory paint color, is that stuff right there. Trim clad gloss red rust paint. And it's a near match for the factory red. This color, this truck was originally painted. Not so much up there, but back here. Cheap paint job. Makes me happy. And there, the doors are back on. It wasn't as bad as I had expected it was going to be. One more job done. Finally visible progress. Got some good see them actually accomplishing something with it.